Hello guys, this is Farhan Hussain and welcome back to another video. I get asked quite a lot of times by many different people that they're thinking about investing and buying XRP. Should they do it or not? They want my opinion and my advice regarding this. So you know what, I thought let's create this video because it gets asked so many times. And not only that, this time let's bring in the professionals. That is why I put forward this question to 3 different financial advisors and with their help created this video. Generally, whenever you search whether it's on Google or YouTube regarding investing, buying cryptocurrency, most of them have a disclaimer saying this is not a financial advice. This is not that video. This video is different. This video is a financial advice. So get your pen and paper out because there's going to be a lot of information in this and I'm pretty sure you are going to stick with me until the end of this video. And not only that, yes, I do remember about the giveaway. I was supposed to announce it much earlier, but this video took so long to make. That's why the announcement is a bit delayed. But don't worry, the winner, the person who won the 500 XRP giveaway is mentioned at the end of this video. So make sure you stick with me until the end. This video is divided into different sections so it is more easier to understand. And as well as for those people who have previously invested in XRP or are trading XRP regularly, they might want to skip to a different section. But I highly suggest you to watch this video from the start because there will be some information which you might have not come across previously. Also, all the sections and their timestamps should be on screen right now as well as in the description box below, so feel free to check it out. And anyways, let's begin with the video. Well, let's start off with who this video is for. This video has been specifically created for beginners who are new to the world of cryptocurrency and who have just heard about XRP from their friends or relatives and are thinking about investing in it. And not only that, it is also for those people who are thinking about trading in XRP or who are just generally in it for the very long run, who are thinking about putting their money into XRP, maybe even for a retirement plan. So this is for those people. Next, let's talk about something that I feel is extremely important, and that is something that you should always keep in mind. And let's start off with this video itself. Although this video is a financial advice, but your financial health might be very different to the next person. That is why this video is kind of aimed for the general public, and it is also very important to do your own due diligence regarding investing and only investing what you can actually afford to lose. This is something I will mention pretty much throughout this video so it gets stuck to your head. Second, let's talk about volatility. The term volatile, you will be hearing this quite a lot pretty much from other YouTubers, articles, your friends and family whenever they talk about cryptocurrency. Well, and that is very true. The world of cryptocurrency is very volatile. But what does this mean and how is this even related to you? Well, this aspect is more related to people who will be trading in XRP, Bitcoin, Ethereum or other cryptocurrencies. And this is more of related to people who will also be investors in XRP for the very short term. Now, to give you an example of this, for example, there is something called circuit breakers in the New York Stock Exchange. There are 3 levels of it. Level 1 is when the S&P 500 drops below 7% from the previous day, the trading is halted for 15 minutes. Level 2 is when the trading is halted when it drops below 13%. And level 3 is when it drops to 20%, the trading is halted for the entire day and resumes the next day. In the world of cryptocurrency, there is nothing like this. So there is a very high possibility of a free fall. So if you're a person who panics seeing their money drop down and in a market where the regulations are very little, this could mean a recipe for disaster and you end up losing a lot of your money. So this is something that you should keep in mind. Let's move on to Ripple and XRP. These 2 words are used almost interchangeably, but they do not mean the same thing. And in the entire video, I will be making a clear distinction between the 2. Ripple is a company that deals with cross-border payments, while XRP is a cryptocurrency that has been created by Ripple. Now, the reason why I want you to be clearly distinct between these 2 is because that you are investing in XRP, you're not investing in Ripple, the company. That is why whenever you hear about news saying Ripple has signed new partnerships with banks or other financial institutions, that does not mean that there will be a price movement related to XRP. The XRP price will not move because of this. And this is one of the biggest reasons why so many people, especially in the XRP community, have to deal with. They are saying that, look, Ripple is signing up with so many financial institutions, but there is no effect on the price. Well, this is the reason why, because so many financial institutions are using a service called RippleNet that uses cross-border payments, while the service that deals with XRP is called on-demand liquidity, and there are only a very few companies that are currently using that, while on the RippleNet there are more than 300 customers. Another important thing which I will be talking about in more detail in the later part of this video is that there are total 100 billion XRP in existence, out of which 55 billion are owned by Ripple and its executives. This has become somewhat of a thorn for a lot of investors out there who kind of are staying away from investing in XRP because they believe that the Ripple and its executives just have too much XRP and their ability to influence the price of XRP is just too much. So this is something that you should keep in mind. And again, I will be discussing this in later part of this video. Now let's move on to the very important question. Should you invest in XRP? Now for you to understand this, let me rephrase this question. You are thinking about investing into the world of cryptocurrency and you have picked between 3 to 5 cryptos to invest in. Should XRP be one of these cryptos? And the answer is yes. So the financial advice here is that you shouldn't put all your money in a single cryptocurrency, or you shouldn't put all your money in XRP. You should space it out in different cryptocurrencies. As the saying goes, you shouldn't put all your eggs in a single basket. The goal of a financial advice is to minimize risk and yield good return later on. And since the world of cryptocurrency itself is very risky, so the financial advice is that if you are investing in the world of cryptocurrency, to invest in 3 to 5 different cryptocurrencies, and XRP being one of them. Now in this video, I'm not going to be talking about which 3 to 5 cryptocurrencies you should be investing in. I will be coming up with a video later on, so make sure you're subscribed for that. But the general rule of thumb is to look at what the top cryptocurrencies in the market are right now. So if you have decided that you are going to be investing, you are going to be buying XRP, the next question is how much XRP should you buy? And this is a very difficult question to answer because it varies for each individual and it depends on your own financial health. Some people can afford to risk more while others they cannot. And the answer here is going to be a very generic one, and that is an amount that doesn't really keep you up at night. And as I have mentioned at the start of this video, the amount of XRP that you should invest or the amount of XRP you should buy is an amount that you can afford to lose. This is something that you should always keep in mind, not just relating to XRP, but to the overall world of cryptocurrency. And it's also something that you should keep in mind when you're investing in stocks. And the next question is, how long should you keep this investment for? How long should you hodl this XRP for? Now this also depends on the individual and what their goal is with their investment. If you're a person who is in it for the short term, and when I say short term, time frame of less than 1 year, your outcome will be different compared to a person who is in it for the long term. And to better understand this, we kind of have to go back in time and look at the history of XRP. Now, since the inception of XRP, the price has gone up by 3,800%. But at this point, since its inception, it wasn't really available for everybody. It was only available for selected people. And that is why it's kind of unfair to compare it to this point. But what we can talk about is since XRP went mainstream back in 2017. At the end of 2017, basically the all-time high price of XRP was reached, which was $3.8. And at the time of making this video, the price of XRP is hovering between 19 to 20 cents, which is loss of minus 94%. So you can get a better understanding of the time frame we are looking at. Now it's also unfair just to look at XRP while not talking about other cryptocurrencies during their all-time highs. Pretty much every single cryptocurrency since the end of 2017, early 2018, they all have fallen quite low, including the most popular cryptocurrency out there, and that is Bitcoin, which is trading around minus 50% since its all-time high. But again, each cryptocurrency is trading at a different percentage point compared to their previous all-time highs. So the suggestion here is that if you are looking to invest into XRP, do it for the very long run, meaning it can be more than 5+ years. And let me reiterate here, and that is, if you are going to be investing into the world of cryptocurrency, do not invest into just a single crypto, but invest in 3 to 5 different cryptocurrencies. And again, I have to repeat this many times, only invest what you can afford to lose. Another important thing that you should have in mind, and that is having a price goal. And this price goal should be realistic. For example, if you decided to buy XRP for 20 cents, you should have a price in mind that at this point I will be selling it, whether it is the time frame or the price point, whichever one you're going for. And this price point, again, should be a realistic one. It shouldn't be something like, okay, I'll sell it at $1,000 and it might never even reach that point. So this is why you should have a realistic goal for the price of XRP. Now I want to talk about some scrutiny Ripple and XRP have faced. Well, starting off with the one that I mentioned previously, and that is Ripple and its executives hold massive quantities of XRP. And as I mentioned again, that this is something what investors were kind of shying away from investing because Ripple has too much power over the price of XRP. Secondly, what a lot of people you might hear about from a lot of people who do not kind of like XRP, is that Ripple has been known to sell XRP in massive quantities, and this has led to some hampering of the growth of XRP, which is really needed. A lot of other cryptocurrencies, for example, which are very similar to XRP, have been steadily growing, while XRP, especially in the top 5, top 10 cryptos, is not doing that well. So this is something that you should also keep in mind. And now on to the thing you all have been waiting for, and that is the winner of the 500 XRP giveaway. Before the winner is announced, I just want to remind you guys that, first of all, thank you to every single person who participated in this. I wish I could give it to all of you, but that is not possible. And to make this as fair as possible, I will